Okay, so now that we've done a sample search, we went to library.fiu.edu/IDS 4232. We clicked search. I went into social science database. There are other databases, so if your topic's more about anthropology, you'd go into Anthropology Plus. If it's more environmental focus, Earth and environmental databases, and so on and so forth. So there's other databases to search. The searching techniques are the same, however. If you go here to craft your search, you'll see that you want to come up with synonyms and related terms to your search topic if you're not finding enough information. And use and over here, and between your disparate terms. So in this case, it's love and workplace. And then synonyms to love is love or romance or workplace or job or employees. So, or between synonyms, if you're not getting enough results, and between your disparate topics. For example, community gardening, and sustainability. Now, the search that I showed you had a link to the full text. It was easy to get to the full text, full article. You can read it, do your research, and then move on your way, and then use the cite tool within the library database. However, sometimes there's not a link to the full text. This database, I searched the same way. It's the Earth and Environmental Science database, and I searched sustainability and community garden. I used my quotes, I used an asterisk, I used and between my terms, and I got my results. I only found 33 in this one when I limited to peer reviewed. But this one here, if I go back to my result list, you'll see that the number 6 has a link to the full text, but number 5 does not have a link to the full text. So if I click on the title of the article, I get the same kind of information as in the other database. So the search criteria, the search techniques are the same. And you'll see I get my abstract, I read through that, I'm like, oh, this is perfect for my research. How do I get to the full text? In this case, I can click on the Find It at FIU button, opens a new window, and tells me that I can get to the full text by downloading the PDF. So the Find It at FIU button is very important if you're not finding the full text of an article that you want to use for your research. Just like in the other database, we have the cite tool over here, and you scroll down the list and you'll see APA 7th edition here, copy and paste it. Again, double check because it is computer generated. And you can export from this database as well. You can export into RefWorks, EndNote, EasyBib, and so on and so forth. Yes, you can create a CVS, whatever you prefer. Now, I talked a little bit about the citation management tools, but let me go ahead and just go into the Citation Manager's page. You can learn a lot more about what they do. It gives you explanation how to do RefWorks, how to do EndNote. Basically, they're great tools for downloading your information and having it all in one place, okay? So that is the citation management tools. That is how you search in a nutshell. There's a lot more information on this page. I'm not going to go through it all. There's information about lit reviews, but perhaps more importantly is how to get help. If you need help, I'm available where you are. My name is Sarah Hamill, and you can email me on this page, or down here it's hamills@fiu.edu. My phone number is there. And let me just pull up this document here, and maybe this is a little easier for you to see. Just email me with your questions. Remember, this is your go-to guide, library.fiu.edu/IDS 4232 for this project. Happy researching, and if you decide you want to become a librarian, because did I mention I have the best job in the world? If you decide you want to become a librarian, reach out to me. I'd be happy to be your mentor. Happy researching!